रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट में एक और बार कराऊंगा, ठीक है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स is given by the ratio is given by Snell's law. Okay, Snell, yes. So Snell's law says, it says that mu, the symbol mu stands for refractive index, which is the ratio of sine of the incident ray upon sine of the refracted ray. How do we read it? Incident ray is on the first medium, refracted ray happens in the second medium. So when we talk about absolute refractive index, that means the first medium is air or vacuum. Understood? Incident ray vacuum से हो रहा है या फिर air से हो रहा है, where speed of light is maximum 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second. And the second medium is the medium of our choice. Has to be what kind of medium, by the way?
A denser medium.
Denser is not necessarily. 100% कौन सा medium होना चाहिए for refraction to happen? Yes, it has to be a transparent medium. So sine of R will be calculated in the second medium, and this is being calculated in the first medium. Am I right? So far you have followed? When we talk about absolute mu or absolute refractive index, it means the refractive index of a certain medium with respect to air or vacuum. How do we read it? Mu of the refractive index of a certain medium with respect to vacuum. If I have to find the refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, then hold this. First medium with respect to second medium, तो क्या होगा बताओ? Sine of incident ray on the first medium upon sine of refracted ray which happens in the second medium. So what will be the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium? It's a reciprocal of this. So sine of incident ray in the second medium upon sine of refracted ray in the first medium. Is this much clear? समझा so far? और धीरे धीरे आओ. So this is also given by Snell's law. Also tells us not always we have the angle. देखो I और R क्या है पता है? यहाँ पे बैठो. यहाँ पे बैठो. यहाँ पे बैठो. I and R are like angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Zarina दरवाजा बंद करो. Angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Not always we are going to have angle of incidence, angle of refraction. Sometimes you have to calculate by the value of speed of light in that medium upon speed of light in the second medium. So how do we write it? Speed of this is mu of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 can also be written as speed of light in first medium or upon speed of light or can I say in general terms, can I say sine I upon sine R is nothing but speed of light in incident medium upon speed of light in refracted medium? Can I say that simply? Speed of light in incident medium. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Upon speed of light
refracted medium.
in refracted. This is the easiest way to remember. तो पता तुमको इसी से चल जाएगा कि ऊपर भी वाटर का लेना है या ऊपर एयर का. अगर we are calculating the speed of light of in water with respect to air, then water with respect to air मतलब पहले कौन आया? Air आया. Water with respect to air. So first medium with respect to second medium. Yeah. So water with respect to air when we have to find out, that is the absolute refractive index or not, because air is my, always I use it as the base. But if I have to find the refractive index of air with respect to water, then उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा कि नहीं? उल्टा हो जाएगा कि नहीं? Because incident medium कौन होगा तो फिर water. Incident medium water हो जाएगा. Refracted medium क्या हो जाएगा? Air. Because air with respect to water मतलब क्या? उसके बाद एयर में गया, वाटर से एयर में आया। स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर मतलब क्या, पहले एयर में था उसके बाद वाटर में गया। अंडरस्टूड? सो जब भी एयर में पहले था फिर वाटर में गया, यू डोंट हैव टू नो ऑल दिस राइट नाउ, ये सब नेक्स्ट ईयर में भी पढ़ोगे तो आएगा। इसमें इतना रेसिप्रोकल्स आप लोगों को है ही नहीं। इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट, नो नीड टू वरी।
कराया था ना।
ये वाला जो चीज है, ये वाला चीज बस याद रखो। इज इट क्लियर नाउ? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर? व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम?
3 to the
3 into 10 to the power, बोल तू।
-8
-8, इतना कम है स्पीड?
-8 नहीं
तो
8
8 what? What is the unit?
मीटर पर सेकंड।
Meters per second?
मीटर पर सेकंड।
Very good. What is the speed of light in, let's say,
वाटर का 2.5।
हाँ water का, glass
2 into 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर सेकंड।
very good. What about water?
2.5 into 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर मीटर
Meter per second.
वो स्क्वायर बोल रहा था।
Meter per second square is acceleration. Okay. ट्रांसलूसेंट में बहुत कुछ होता है, लेवल ऑफ इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, रिफ्रैक्शन सब होता है, इसलिए वी डोंट स्टडी ट्रांसलूसेंट। इज दिस पार्ट क्लियर टू यू? नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू द एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन। मतलब क्या, रियल लाइफ में कब, when do we get to see reflection, when do we get to see refraction? It is very important to know that. So why do we, though here I have done this part if I am not wrong, but whenever, these are the things you have to remember, whenever I put any object inside water, which is a denser medium, water is denser than air, can I see a tilt?
No.
Do I see a tilt? Have I taught you this part?
Yeah.
Yes. How does the tilt happen? Do you know how to draw the ray diagram for it? Once again I will do it. अब पढ़ाया था, मुझे तो आता ही है, I am confident, मुझे आता है, तुझे आता है कि नहीं वो मुझे टेंशन है उसका। अभी applications of, हाँ बोल।
In swimming pool also there is a refraction only, right?
Yes, application of refraction. Thank you for correcting me. अरे स्विमिंग पूल में पैर, if you just put water, like water क्या बोलूं, your feet in the water, हाँ, so you will see your legs look smaller in size and you look like a midget, but you are not, na? That is because of refraction. Now I will show you the ray diagram once again, last time.
हाँ, डेप्थ के ऊपर भी बेस्ड होता है।
Depth के ऊपर नहीं डिपेंड करता है, no. It does not depend on the depth. The how much refraction or how much deviation will happen depends only and only on the refractive index. जितना refractive index high है, उतना medium denser है, उतना ज़्यादा tilt होगा. Another thing to notice is if I have a coin placed over here, I can see it. If it is over here like this, if I see it from a certain angle, it will look uplifted. Why will it look uplifted? This is the final time I am drawing the ray diagram. Always when I see an object, the light is emitted from the object towards my eyes. So let's say the light ray is emitted like this, from this object towards my eye, and water is filled in here. So what will happen? I will first draw normal. Where will the light ray bend? Away from the normal. I will have to draw two light rays. Why will I have to draw two light rays? Because I need an intersection point. Intersection point अगर मिला, दो lines का intersection जहाँ पे होगा, वहाँ पे जाके मेरा object बनेगा. So I need an intersection point. So I have two choices. Either I draw a general ray just like this. ये भी refract करेगा कि नहीं? Away from the normal. या फिर I can draw perpendicular ray. What happens to rays which are fall normally? सीधा जाता है, सीधा गया, no deflection, right? So what happens in this case is, if you produce this light ray over straight line, this light ray also in a straight line, and this light ray also in a straight line, you will see they were meeting at a point right above this, right above this. So this is where the object will appear to be. This is the original position. Coming. Original position. So this, can I say, it appears to be apparently lifted. So the apparent depth of an object is more, or the actual depth of an object is?
Actual depth of
Actual depth of an object is, let's say, this much, right? But the apparent depth is only this much. So apparent depth is always going to be less than actual depth. अभी पूछो.
Ma'am, in swimming pool, when we see it from outside,
Yeah.
We see that it is not in depth, but when we go inside,
Yeah.
we see that it is more deep.
Yeah, because you are inside the water. Now you are also inside the water. Pool is also inside the water. Water is also inside the water. So all of them are in the same medium, na now.
So like this.
So when you are seeing it from a rarer medium, then it will appear different. But when you are seeing a dense object from inside the object, then there is no change in medium, na beta? If there is no change in medium,
Application for this apparent depth.
apparent depth application वही तो बता रही हूँ. Sometimes when you can't read certain words, they put a thick glass over the text, over the newspaper. A lot of people used to do that. Thick glass. So the text used to appear to be lifted like this. So it appeared to be a little magnified. That is one application. Another application is application अभी मैं बताती हूँ. Twinkling of stars. Twinkling of stars क्या होता है? See, look at our atmosphere. Our atmosphere is made up of many layers. This is the rarest. This is the densest. Denser most. Densest कुछ भी नहीं होता है word. So when light ray is coming from the star, let's say this is my star. So the light ray is coming from the star like this. सीधा normal बनाओ. It will go. Then rare से dense में जा रहा है. So it will go towards the normal. फिर से बनाओ, फिर से towards the normal जाएगा, फिर से बनाओ, फिर से towards the normal. ऐसे करके इसका direction change हो गया कि नहीं? By the time, let me finish. By the time it reaches my eyes, already the atmosphere is moving na along with Earth. Earth is moving, so atmosphere is changing constantly. So अभी इस बार refraction थोड़ा दूसरे degree पे होगा. Maybe the angle of refraction will change. So what will happen? When we perceive the star, since the star is undergoing multiple refraction, oh, because it's very far. So the light rays are reaching us like much later, isn't it? We know this, that the light ray reaches us much later than, actually the star might be dead by the time it reaches us, that far. So because of multiple refractions, we see the star. Once we see the star here, once we see it here, once we see it up, once we see it down, and that is happening in a fraction of a second. So it appears to be twinkling. कभी इधर दिखा, कैसे दिख रहा है स्टार? इधर दिखा, फिर 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 इधर दिखा.
एक ही टाइम
एक ही सेकंड के अंदर. Because light rays are constantly coming to our eyes. Within 1 second, I saw it in different position. So how does it appear to be? We just joined all the points that we saw it. It's a star. That's why they appear to be twinkling. Stars do not twinkle. It is because of multiple refractions at different angles. Is it clear?
हाँ.
Yes.
ये रिफ्रैक्ट होकर कोई स्ट्रेट परपेंडिकुलर नहीं हो जाएगा?
नहीं, परपेंडिकुलर नहीं होगा बेटा. एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट ईयर नहीं, उसके बाद वाले ईयर 10th स्टैंडर्ड में जाके आप एक नया फेनोमेना पढ़ोगे व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन. मतलब रिफ्रैक्शन हो के परपेंडिकुलर हो के फिर रिफ्रैक्शन स्टार्ट्स एक्टिंग लाइक रिफ्लेक्शन इन द डेंसर मीडियम.
आपको पढ़ा है?
हाँ, वो मतलब यू जस्ट गॉट द मेंशन ऑफ इट. हाँ, ऊपर चला जाता है. सो दैट इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस वी विल डू इट लेटर.
हम उसे इमेज फॉर्म होती है ना पानी में जैसे.
हाँ, मिराज फॉर्मेशन. उसके बाद फिर if it's a very hot day, you sometimes see that the car के सामने the road shines. Why does it shine? Because इतना high angle पे refraction होता है that it gets totally internally reflected. और reflection जब भी होता है तो क्या लगता है हम लोगों को? पानी से reflection होता है ना. So human mind believes that it is water or it's an oasis. Because the first thing that human mind thinks, what अभी का आईना, mirror, all these things are man-made. But before mirrors, how did people see their reflection? Nature कौन सा reflecting best reflecting medium दिया है nature ने? Water. So water is the best reflecting as well as refracting medium or not? So both reflection and refraction can be studied by our mind. Still takes us back to water. यहाँ तो पानी हो, reflect हो. समझ में आया? Perception of depth समझ में आया? move on to mirrors. So do you want to once read the chapter? Read the first part of the chapter. Duration of day. Okay, no problem. So let's do a duration of day. Same thing. The diagram appears to be complicated. I will make it simple for you. Don't worry. Let's say this is my sun. What is this? Sun. Earth is somewhere over here, revolving around it, isn't it? This is my Earth. Sun and Earth is separated by many layers of atmosphere or the lack of it. है कि नहीं? बहुत सारे layers दिख रहे हैं. So what do you understand by the duration of day concept? First I will read it out to you. The density of air near the Earth's surface is more than the upper layers. So can I say this is rare and this is dense? अर्थ के पास जो है वो डेंस होता है कि नहीं? अर्थ से दूर जो है उसको हम लोग रेयर अज्यूम करते हैं. So the light rays coming from the sun before sunrise travels from rarer medium to denser medium. So can I say this light ray which is coming is traveling from this is rare, this is dense. इधर सबसे ज़्यादा rare, इधर सबसे ज़्यादा dense है कि नहीं? So it will go, where will it go? Away or towards?
Towards the normal.
फिर यहाँ से फिर से ये बना दिया, फिर से towards the normal, फिर से हमने normal बना दिया towards the normal. ठीक है? So what happens is the refracted ray bends towards the normal due to which the observer sees the sun a little before actual sunrise. Let's see why. अभी ये हो गया ना, ये मेरा path है कि नहीं after refraction. So now what will I do? Always produce it backwards. Produce कर दिया. अभी मुझे तो sun इधर दिख रहा है, but sun तो अभी rise ही नहीं किया था. Rise करने वाला था, but I can see a sun little higher or not. Sun rising मतलब sun going higher. So just little before actual sunrise happens, we will be able to see it because of refraction. Clear? Clear? ये part read करो. First part of your chapter is over. Read it. Then we are moving on to reflection through curved surfaces, which is my lenses. Sorry, mirrors. Curved mirrors. Yes. Read it.